Hello everyone, welcome to Designer Square by O Homes. I'm Asmi Vijayavargiya, and in today's video we will be discussing about a very luxurious 5-star hotel in France, Paris, which is called Hotel de Crillon. It is as enchanting and marvelous as it sounds, and we will be going over its interior design, the celebrity guests, its history, architectural significance, all the remarkable events which happened there, and everything related to it. So, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. So let's start off with its architectural significance, and in that, Hotel de Crillon is a textbook example of French neoclassical architecture. It was designed by Anne-Georges Gabriel, which was the chief architect to King Louis XV, and it's facade is one of the most symmetrical building, and it overlooks the Place La Concorde in Paris, so it makes it one of the most historically and visually iconic hotel ever. And it has this symmetry and order to represent the shift from its ornate Rococo style to this more intellectual and structured style, which echoes both ancient Roman and Greek influence. And in this hotel, it has this emphasis on balance, restraint, and still has this very big vibe of grandeur in it. They use columns, pilasters, and classical proportions, which reflect these enlightenment details. And overall, it is a very luxurious hotel which has this historical French architecture inside of it. Now, this hotel went through an extensive renovation in the year 2013 to 2017. So, it was a 4-year long renovation, and still they tried to implement these modern, innovative, and technology inside of the hotel while still maintaining its historic charm and preserve as many elements as they can in the hotel. So, during this extensive renovation, in the they tried to preserve things such as the 18th century wood carvings, the crystal chandeliers, and ornamental stonework, while also they seamlessly integrated inside of a 21st century technology and comfort. So, this duality is what makes Hotel de Crillon a standout, because it is a heritage style and yet it has all this modern features which makes it live and breathe still in the modern world while still taking you back in time to the French architectural and historic charm. When building Hotel de Crillon, the interior design was taken into extensive care. After all, it was built by the king's chief architecturer himself. So the interiors are a masterclass in French decorative arts. They are beautiful, they are historic, they have this grandeur and luxurious vibe to them, and every detail in the interior has been carefully thought out, from the wood carvings to the art styles, and it is a celebration of true French craftsmanship. There are marble fireplaces, versus tiled parapet flooring, and hand gilded moldings which are found throughout the hotel, not just the entrance as a decorative but throughout the hotel. And there have been notable French artisans and designers which were brought in for the renovation themselves. So every detail has been thought out carefully and through grandeur itself. And the public spaces like the salons and the winter garden, they are richly layered in texture and tone, which creates spaces that feel both palatial and personal, which makes it a whole true celebration for the French craftsmanship and a very luxurious place to stay in France. Now Now let's dig a little deep into the hotel and discuss a little bit more about its history, because it is a breathtaking example of the neoclassical architecture which was originally commissioned in 1758. So there are symmetrical designs, grand columns and restrained elegance inside of it, and the hotel's interiors are equally stunning, which combine centuries old heritage with modern luxury in a setting which feels timeless. Their whole idea of a hotel represents this classical ideals of harmony and proportion. The building's stone facade and ornamental structures and sculptures enhance its regal appearance, and it blends seamlessly into this historic place La Concorde. So everything has been meticulously thought out, but the symmetrical design to the sculptures inside of it, the silk wall coverings, and even after the renovation, it is just a seamless integration of the modern technology and modern ideas into a historic charm. Now let's discuss some of the special features of the hotel, like the marble, the gilt detail and the frescoes, especially the fresco. So we step inside Hotel de Crillon and you're immediately enveloped in this opulence. There are marble of various hues, lines on the floors, the bathrooms even, which creates a cool and luxurious ambience. There are gilt details like gold leaf embellishments on moldings, mirrors, fixtures, and sparkle under the soft lighting, which adds a royal touch to every corner you go inside. There are delicate frescoes on ceilings and walls which recall the elegance of the 18th century France, with scenes of mythology, nature, romance, which are beautifully preserved or restored to their original splendor. And overall, these details are just enamoring for a normal person to go there and visit. And they also have this grand staircase. One of the most iconic features of Hotel de Grand Crillon is its major grand staircase. It is sweeping and it's symmetrical, and it's framed by wrought iron railings and crowned by a glittering and glimmering crystal chandelier. So just imagine yourself walking into such a stairway. It is like you've been transported into a classic film or royal ball. A very perfect place to make your imaginations come true. This staircase is more than just architectural, it's theatrical, and it embodies drama and elegance which define the Crillon experience. Now let's go into the rooms of Hotel de Crillon and talk about the luxurious suites. Each suite at Hotel de Crillon is a sanctuary of taste and comfort. They are designed with a mix of antique furnishings and contemporary fare, and the rooms are adorned with fine fabrics, handcrafted details, and state of the art amenities. There is this Karl Lagerfeld design, which is grand apartments, and they are especially noteworthy. The biggest suite inside of it, and as the name says, they are like a grand apartment. Which brings us to this fact that Hotel de Crillon, it was designed for a private residency. So it used to be a private residence which was then converted into a hotel, and hence these grand apartments are a perfect choice for the room interiors, especially their suites. So they have perfect views like overlooking the Eiffel Tower or Place de l'Encore, and every room offers a slice of heaven in the heart of Paris. Especially when we talk deeply about the apartments of Karl Lagerfeld, as it is the whole Hotel de Crillon doesn't represent just a building but a French philosophy, which is art de vivre. And especially in the Karl Lagerfeld, these grand apartments which were established after the renovation, they are design statements completely. Just like the designer was iconic for his clothes, he this inspired by him, it was just awesome. It reinforces the hotel status as an intersection of art, fashion, and history all together. They have this 18th century opulence, and they have custom furniture and Langofield's personal artistic vision itself. Now you must be wondering that if hotel is just so immaculate and wonderful, how many famous guests and celebrities have come here? So Hotel de Crillon has not only seen the French Revolution but also the Paris Fashion Week. And he has hosted famous guests like Leonardo DiCaprio and Madonna, and these are celebrities with of global culture and power, and they have also been total diplomatic events. There have been signing of key diplomatic treaties in Hotel de Crillon. There have been hot couture and fashion week events inside of it. There have been celebrity milestones and film moments, as it is like a major site for engagement parties, film wrap-ups, and even secret weddings. Its interiors have been featured in several films and TV series, which reinforces its cinematic charm and timeless allure. There have been prestigious gala dinners and balls inside of it, which has been filled with royals, CEOs, and celebrities, and they had live orchestras, Michelin starred cuisines, and just total people of power in there. And we again obviously cannot forget about Karl Lagerfeld. So Hotel de Crillon has not only been a perfect host for people, but it also is just a timeless hotel for everyone who wants to visit there and feel this French historic charm and neoclassical architecture. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.